And I would also say that, like, there's a lot of people that serve the community, like community people, like that run soup kitchens, the people that help the homeless on a regular basis. There's a lot of people that do a lot of things not based on what they're going to get out of it, but what
Yeah.
they do for other people. So I think that there's definitely something to be said that you get good feelings by helping other people be better, right? And to me, that's a big part of what the idea of unconditional love should be, is that I'm going to do something for your benefit without me expecting anything back.
Exactly. This is a very good thought you share. There is no attachment.
Hmm.
There is no expectation at all, because everything is energy, frequency, vibration. Just for
Hmm.
example, few days back I helped to few homeless people, but I
Hmm.
had no expectation. And the whole existence will give you million times more than what you think when you
Hmm.
don't have expectation. Remember, this is very important point, because remember, everything is energy, frequency, vibration. How we are talking here with the help of the universe in the form of internet. So it is a kind of wave. So in the same way, the prayer, the blessing, what is that basically? When we help the people without expectation,
Hmm.
without give and take, everything will come into our life million times more than what you share. But who cares about, even I don't have expectation from the universe. But what I'm trying to say, just help the people, just help the animal without any condition, and then you will
Hmm.
attract more, because what is happening, we are sharing in terms of our feeling, our intention, which is deeply connected, and that's what the secret and the mystery of the life. As soon as we raise our frequency and vibration, and then we can be more happy, we can be more blissful. And therefore I said, the cancer is collection of all kinds of the useless and unwanted thought. The more
Hmm.
we suppress or repress it, and we are not able to release it into the universe. Why? Because we are trying to suppress and repress the energy of negativity, energy of darkness, in the form of useless thought of cancer, whatever you call it. But when we help to the people unconditionally, there is no give and take. What is happening? We are sharing beautiful thought, emotion into someone else's life, and at
Hmm.
the level of soul, at the level of energy, at the level of spirit, we are deeply connected. So
Hmm.
how can you be different from other? We cannot. So whenever the opportunity comes, we try to help whosoever comes into our life with the help of power of unconditional love, and
Hmm.
everything comes into our life. And that is the message.
And it's a good one.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
something else interesting that you said there. So you said, when we raise our vibration, we're able to do more and get more, right? So can you talk a little bit about what that means and how you do that?
you know yeah, I like it. Let me share my example, right? Then I will
Sure.
come. you know Long time ago, when I was struggling, when I was fighting, I did so much marketing, so much advertisement for my company, for my website, this and that, long time ago, but it didn't work. Why it didn't work? Because maybe somewhere I would be connecting with low frequency energy, people, situations, circumstances into my life. So as soon as I raise my own frequency, own vibration, own energy, by having a deep connection with the nature, with the help of deep meditation practice, everything has started coming from limitless, boundless, endless space. And how it is possible? The more I look within, the more I go on inside, and the more I create the fragrance of love, forgiveness, kindness, compassion, appreciation, gratefulness, and automatically what happens? I'm getting pulled towards with a higher frequency situation, higher frequency peoples, things around me, and my business has started moving very much. I'm not saying like I'm trying to boast myself, but what I'm trying to say, I raise my frequency, I raise my vibration, the thing around me started getting changed. And how it has happened? The more I transcend my own ego, the more I try to move inside, the more I try to dissolve all kinds of the negativity. Still I'm having some ego, still I'm having some useless thought, but I'm trying to work in order to lift myself as much as I could, in the form of raising my frequency and energy. And because the thing has started flowing into my life, and that's what it is.
Yeah, and that makes a lot of sense. And I think one of the most important outcomes of this process is that you, you, not you specifically, but you as a person that does this process, right? You get a sense of calmness,
Yeah,
clarity,
yeah,
happiness, joy, all of these different things. And I think, and where I'm going with this is the real value with that is
mm,
that you get to share it with somebody else.